Morning, who couldn't use a little bit of it? Whether you are saving for a down payment, planning for a wedding, trying to pay off debt, or putting some aside for a rainy day, a little extra money can go a long way. Your day job might help you to pay for the essentials, but the side also from home, that is the game changer that will make a difference in your wallet, while giving you the freedom you have always wanted. So here are the best side also that will make you money online in 2022. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, greeting cards. Greeting cards are always in style, so if you have a good eye for design or just love showcasing your artwork on physical items, this is one of the best creative business ideas for you. Before you can start looking for clients, you need to have a handful of design ready to go with. Tools like Photoshop and Canva make it easy to create custom card designs. Additionally, you need to stock up on supplies required to create greeting cards, like ink, paper, and many more. Tips to be successful in these business ideas. If you want to keep costs low, consider buying your supplies wholesale. Once you have the inventory, you can start generating revenue by marketing your business on Facebook, Etsy, and other similar platforms. Number 2, content writing. Almost every company with a web presence need help creating content for their product pages, blogs, and many more. Starting a content writing or copywriting company could be one of the most profitable business ideas for you. Popular websites for finding those first few customers include Remo.co, ProBlogger, and Blogger Pro. You can also join content writing groups on Facebook to get more exposure for your business. To make a good impression on clients, consider offering keyword optimization or custom graphics as part of your services. Number 3, homemade products. If you have a passion for molding soap bars, brewing drinks, or baking specialty products, a homemade craft business may be a great fit for you. Not only does it serve as a wonderful creative outlet, but it can easily scale up as word of your business gets out. Some of the most profitable homemade products include agricultural products, beauty solutions like cosmetics and soaps, and accessories such as jewelries. Ingredients and raw materials coupled with your labor should provide a sustainable return on investment of your business. You can start selling homemade products at your local farmers markets on a platform like Etsy or with a storefront on iCraft. Number 4, WordPress support. A lot of websites out there are hosted on WordPress, and almost every website owner requires support in some form. So if you are familiar with the ins and outs of this platform, you will have several opportunities to make money in this site also. Clients may contact you to fix their CSS, find and address security holes, and more. While you can use platforms like People Per Hour and Upwork to get your first clients, we recommend creating a custom website and listing your services there. That way, you'll be able to afford high commissions and build high quality relationships with your clients. Offering WordPress support is one of the best business ideas to try in 2022. Number 5, career coaching. With rising unemployment and a saturated job market, there's no shortage of people needing help finding job. If you have a talent for helping your friends and family find suitable employment, you can probably help others too. Consider starting a career coaching business where you help others figure out what the best career for them is, how to nail an interview, what trade define a good candidate, and more. You can look for clients in Facebook groups or on platforms like coach.me. You can make money by conducting 4 to 5 hourly sessions a month. Plus, you can coach multiple clients in a single session. If you are looking for a good business idea that won't occupy too much of your time, career coaching may be the right option for you. Number 6, email marketing. Are you good at writing emails? Have you cracked the code for crafting subject lines that people can't help but click? If so, you can step into entrepreneurship and make money by launching an email marketing business. You can find companies that need help with their email strategy on platforms like People Per Hour and Upwork, as well as through cold outreach. Once you demonstrate that skill of enticing recipients, clients will rush to get your services and even agree to the price you give them. Startup costs include investing in email marketing tools, which will automate many of your tasks. Number 8, means to go business. There's no end to the line of people who struggle to find time to cook nutritious and healthy meals for themselves. This has led to a rise in meals to go business, offering all kinds of cuisine options. You can capitalize on this trend by starting your own meals to go business in your city, state, or neighborhood. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to invest in designing a large commercial kitchen. A shared rental kitchen is good enough to run a meals to go business. Food business is one of the most lucrative business to start because people will always eat and people cannot do without eating. As long as people exist on this planet, food business will continue booming. Number 9, website testing. Did you know that brands with a digital footprint hire real people to give back on their website? These options allow them to address issues that their developers may have failed to identify. You can hire a bunch of people on a freelance basis and create your own website testing company. As you take on projects, your employees will receive a set of questions that they need to answer as they navigate a company website. Through video, they will communicate their initial thoughts on the current user experience and how the site could be improved. You can find work through websites like user testing, Perfection, and Try My UI, and many other platforms. Great people, this is the end of the video. If you have gotten any fun from this video so far, please kindly subscribe to the channel now and click the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below. God bless you. See you in the next video.